shed, garage and patio sales and installation, Jurien Bay, WA. If you're looking for a great working environment in a pristine coastal town, this is the business for you. Established by the current owner in 2001, Swan Aussie Sheds is a proven performer with an excellent reputation. With a turnover of $1.25 million, the business sells garages, patios, sheds and ColourBond fencing. It also supplies roller doors, steel supplies and includes a Stratco Outback dealership. Long-standing regular customers come from local and surrounding coastal and inland areas. The freehold premises include 2-bedroom accommodation upstairs with all facilities, plus toilets and showers downstairs. There's a separate workshop for shed manufacture and many assets, including a 2.5-ton forklift and 2 scissor lifts. There's also an Isuzu single-axle semi with semi-trailer and 3-ton crane, plus a 3-ton Mitsubishi flat tray. Servicing the whole of WA, all Swan Aussie Sheds products are manufactured at the factory in Jurien Bay. Jurien Bay is a very popular beach destination, offering fantastic swimming, coffee and a range of accommodation options.